How to use the real estate transaction process to boost the client experience. Real estate transactions are some of the biggest purchases an agent will make in their life, and they aren't exactly easy to get through. Between piles and piles of papers, approvals, and limited understanding of the technical legalities of it all, transactions can often feel like you're signing your life away. Yes, doing this can be really stressful. But with the help of a real estate transaction coordinator, you can give your client an awesome customer experience. The research phase. Long before you arrive at the real estate transaction process itself, you have the home buyer research phase. So how do you create an awesome client experience when they haven't even contacted you yet? The biggest trick here is to make sure your agents are rapidly answering their questions, and that your real estate team's content is accessible. Writing blogs about the process, or having a simple question and answer section on your website can help build trust with prospects you haven't even met yet. Financial understanding. Working with a trusted lender and credit repair company can not only position prospects to be approved for a loan but also lower their monthly payments, allowing them to increase their purchase price and your potential revenue. This is great for clients who are purchasing new construction and have some time between the pre-sale agreement and closing to work on a few marks on their score. Selecting an agent. 73% of buyers work with the first real estate agent they interview. While this does put you in a great position once you get clients on the phone, having a solid understanding of what clients expect can help you better market and sell your business during the selection process. Pre-approval process. Creating a secure place where clients can send sensitive information such as bank documents, social security numbers, etc., is a great way to put a client at ease during the process of obtaining funding with a lender. Many lenders will ask for this via email, which can put clients at risk of fraud. The home search. With 51% of buyers hiring an agent specifically to find the right house, this is the most important thing to get right. Setting up viewing appointments, remembering client needs, and follow-ups reminding clients of the homes they viewed can be a lot to keep up with, especially if you already have multiple files in the closing pipeline. Making an offer. Between the gold rush style housing market, as well as the pandemic limiting in-person viewings, this can be a very stressful part of the transaction process. Having a really solid relationship with a client can help them feel more secure and satisfied working with you, even when their dream house falls through, especially if they feel like you already have another idea lined up for them. Inspections. Staying on top of the closing process game by having recommendations for ACE inspectors, as well as a highly responsive client chat app and email templates on hand, can help you and your clients make the most out of the inspection process. Final paperwork. Clients don't typically have a strong legal understanding of buying a home. The amount of paperwork needed to secure their mortgage and close on the property can quickly feel overwhelming. Being able to reassure a client about what they're signing is important. Insurance, utilities, and more. Providing a client with information about utilities should happen before the sale is final. Being able to give them insights into the companies that provide power, cable, etc., will enable them to research average utility prices and ensure they can budget their future needs. Closing the real estate transaction process with a bang. Once everything is finalized, your client is ready to move in. This is an incredibly exciting time and a great opportunity to ask your clients to leave a review of their interaction with you.